Welcome everyone, and once again we are here, and this question is about a matrix which has no inverse. A matrix which has no inverse is a singular matrix, and a singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is 0. So very quickly, it means we are going to get the determinant of this matrix here, x minus 2, 4, x minus 2, determinant equals 0. And we know that calculating the determinant, get the product of the leading diagonal element, then subtract the product of the other elements. That is x minus 2 times x minus 2, and then this one subtract 4 times 4 equals 0. Let's expand here. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. That one subtract 4 by 4 is 16 equals 0. Okay, x squared minus 2x minus 2x, that is minus 4x, and then plus 4 minus 16, that is minus 12 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, and the solution depends from which we need to confirm if this quadratic equation has its real roots from b squared minus 4ac. Let's see if it is either greater than or less than 1. If the result is greater than 1, then this equation has its real roots. If the result is less than 1, then there is no real roots for this equation. So let's just confirm. The value of b is negative 4, so minus 4 squared minus 4 into a, coefficient of x squared is 1, and then c is negative 12, and this one gives me 16 minus negative 48, which is the same as 16 plus 48, which is 64. So 64 is greater than 1, so it means there are real roots of this equation. So the solution to all the values of x, from here there are so many methods. There is a factoring method, there is a formula method, and there's the completing the square method. So I decide to use the formula method, from which x will be negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, and this one is equals to the value of b was negative 4, so negative b just becomes 4, and then plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, which we found to be 64, and then divided by 2 times a, coefficient of x squared, which is 1, and this one becomes 4 plus or minus root 64, which is 8, divided by 2, so that x is either 4 plus 8 over 2 or 4 minus 8 over 2. And this one means that x is equals to 4 plus 8 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2, which is 6, or 4 minus 8 is negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. So the values of x are either 6 or negative 2. And that gives us the answer to that question. If you like the video, please comment, like, and share with your friends. Otherwise, Thank you and bye for now.